Hi, I'm Ritamarie.
And I'm Hannah Marie.
I'm the mother.
And I'm the daughter.
And today we're going to school you
on this Thoughtful Thursday.
Today we're going to talk about what you need to do to pack for your dorm. Now, Hannah is the expert on this since she was an RA and a hall director, so she's got a lot of inside tips for you.
So first and foremost, you need to make sure that you look at your Res Life Handbook. That's going to have information on what you're allowed to bring, what you're not allowed to bring, as well as different policies that you have to follow while you're in the building. So for example, one thing that is typically in the handbook is that you're not allowed to have candles. Like, I love candles, but there are other options that you can use. So you can look at different air fresheners, one with a light bulb, things like that, or something that has a UL labeled at the bottom of it. That means that it has an automatic shutoff, and it means that it's going to be safe for the building.
So also remember, bring things that make you happy. It's pretty normal to get homesick at first, so if you remember to bring pictures of family and friends, things that'll make you happy, and decorate your room and put up the pictures, that always helps combat homesickness.
So next tip, you're going to want to look for things that are going to be organizationally friendly. So different things like, for example, this hamper, it's one of those, it folds inward, but you can push it out so that you can do your laundry like normal, but while also being able to store it under your bed. So this is one of those great things. Another thing that you could do is look at, and this is not sponsored, but by Target, they have the Room Essentials line, and they typically have things that are very storage friendly, and you can fit things under your bed. You can look for maybe a bedside caddy so that you can have some notebooks by your bed or your phone, different things like that. So don't bring everything that you own. For example, you don't necessarily want to bring your prom dress unless you're going to a formal dance for Greek life or anything like that, which requires that, but you probably shouldn't know that before you move in. Also, don't necessarily bring furniture, because if you have furniture in the room, what are you going to do with it once you bring in new furniture? I've seen a lot of students, they'll bring in their own desk chair, but then what are you going to do with your desk chair that you already have in that room? And you can't take it out of the room because you'll get fined by the end of the year if you don't have it.
So some things to make sure you bring: an umbrella. Remember, you're walking campus. I mean, from class to class. So you want some sort of umbrella, maybe rain boots, a raincoat, that kind of thing. Or you also want to bring a warm coat. It doesn't have to be a super heavy coat because you're probably only going to November because of the COVID. So you don't need your heaviest coat, but bring something warm, because remember, it is going from summer into the fall.
Also, in thinking about what to pack for your bathroom, look at different shower caddies. For example, I originally, my freshman year of college, I started out with a harder shower caddy, which you put on the bathroom floor. I ended up not liking that because I felt like water was getting in it. So I actually bought one of the harder plastic ones that you can hang up on the door, and I found that much better. Also, you'll want to look at maybe a robe or a long towel, because if you're in a traditional style bathroom, you might be walking from your bathroom to your bedroom in a robe or towel. So make sure you feel comfortable in how you're doing that.
So let's talk about move-in day. Now, that day is exciting, but it's also emotional, especially if you're leaving your home for the first time. So it's emotional for your parents, it's emotional for you. The staff is ready for you, they're excited. All the RAs have been training for weeks, waiting for you to come. So the school is ready, so you got to make sure you're also ready.
So just a tip for move-in day, if you can, try to bring some sort of dolly or wheeling device for your items. It'll make move-in a lot easier, and often the hall staff will have these items for you, but they get rented out so quickly, so you don't necessarily always have them available for you. But make sure you utilize your hall staff. They are there to help you. They are so excited to help you.
Well, we hope these tips will help you pack for your big move-in day coming up soon.
Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel, and we look forward to seeing you next Thoughtful Thursday.